Hello everyone, this is Kanda. So, this 3-side opening grill door. Here we get the place to keep the tulsi plant. Here we'll get the granite, which is ordered. Here we have the shoe rack. And here we have the door, and this a space to sit out area, and this the etched glass, which looks very good, and this the place to keep some things, and here we have some storage space. So here we have the TV cabinet. Here we have the textured paint, and here we have the false ceiling. And here we have the puja room. So this is the puja room. Here also we are getting the granite, and here we have the kitchen with hydraulic storage, and here we have some more storage, and here we have some more storage, corner storage, and here we have the sink, and here we have the utility, which has a very nice view, and here we have a normal room with same the royal textured paint and the normal paint, sliding wardrobes with some more storage, and here we have a study table also. Here we have some more space, and here we have a window which has a very nice view. And here we have the mesh, the mosquito protector also. And here we have the false ceiling. And here we have the mirror. And here we have the common washroom. This is a towel stand. This is a toilet paper holder. The washroom, the main, and the shower. The geyser will come right there, and there's the outlet and inlet also, pipe. And here we have one more mirror and one sink. That's all in this washroom. And here is the master bedroom. So here we have the textured royal paint, and same again mosquito protector, window with a very nice view. And here we have our locker space. And okay, so this is the false ceiling light. ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.